In this video, you'll see how to make a beautiful buttercream cake design with a unique buttercream flower inspired by my garden. It starts with the Guinness vanilla cake that we made for you last week. It's filled and frosted with a light chocolate Kahlua buttercream. This is just a simple decoration of glitter and sprinkles, and it goes under the bottom edges. Three stems are piped on with a number 2 and moss green. A number 12 tip creates a thick base for the flowers. A 789 leaf tip makes the leaves. A small amount of moss green is piped onto a flower nail, and tiny white petals are piped onto the green base. Then you can begin placing the flowers and filling in over the green. Tiny buds and filler petals are made here to create more fullness, and finally tiny dots. Gooseneck loosestrife was the inspiration for this cake. I added a little bit of green to tie in the colors a bit more. Yellow petal dust finishes off the centers and really brings this flower to life. Gold dust mixed with lemon extract adds an air of elegance to any cake. A butterfly would be a gorgeous addition to this design, especially since they're attracted to these flowers. I hope you enjoyed this gooseneck loose stripe cake design. I'll see you in the next video.